Supergold is one of Rolchem's best-selling food colorants. Heinrich Oberholzer is a former GM of the company. He's one of several ex-employees who says Rolchem's Supergold comes from the chemical and mining company AECI.
So waarvoor is dit bedoel, daai kleur?
Powder coatings.
So nie vir koeke en kolwyntjies nie.
Nee, mense moet 'n disclaimer opsit om te sê, wel dis net vir dummy koeke of dis net vir decoration purposes. Dit kan nie sê dis eetbaar nie.
Former maintenance managers Mark Allen O'Shan and Johan Lourens would pick up the products from the suppliers. Lourens worked at Rolchem for a year before he left.
Dit was altyd agter 'n hash storie. Ons mag nooit in ons logboek skryf van die tyd wat ons gevat het om dit soontoe te ry om dit op te laai nie of waar ons was nie.
Hoekom was dit so?
Omrede kleurstof gekoop word by maatskappye wat non-edible kleurstof verkoop. Dakverf, daai's vir klere, daai's vir plastiek en glad nie edible nie.
Our evidence proves that Rolchem buys one of their ingredients for Supergold from AECI. It's called Gold Dip 136020. Its safety data sheet says its main use is for coatings, paints and printing inks. It has copper and zinc warnings. It is very toxic to aquatic life and should not be released into the environment.
So waar byvoorbeeld sou julle hierdie Lumo kleursel gekry het?
By Delta Colors. So jy by Delta Colors gekry het.
Rolchem's Lumo range is popular here and overseas. Delta Colors' website says they supply pigments for plastics, coatings, inks, construction and cosmetics.
Delta Colors het ook 'n vorm gestuur wat spesifiek sê jy moet teken dat jy nie hierdie goed sal verkoop as eetbaar nie.
Rolchem's website says they are perfect for mixing with buttercream, fondant and icing, but several sources claim the Lumos are effectively car paint. Rolchem denies this, but we have established they come from a company that produces pigments for applications that include car paint. And the technical data sheet says these pigments are intended for inks, PVC and polyurethane coatings, aerosols and solvent-based paints. Incredibly, Rolchem hasn't even bothered to change the name of at least 5 of these colours. These are Rolchem's glitter products, the Crystal range, sold as edible and non-toxic. But Mark Allen O'Shan says one of the places they picked up glitter was from the arts and crafts section of My China, a store in Benoni, where we found these.
So you say that this is basically plastic?
That is plastic.